Greetings, Benjamin J from Ben's Trains with another in the series. Well, another delivery from eBay. This is that Marx 898. Picked this up for $8. The guy had this advertised as a Marx 666 for $24.95, and I contacted him and pointed out that this was an 898. It was missing both the markers and the smokestack. That I buy these for parts. I offered him $8. He immediately accepted it. So this is in fairly poor condition. It did come with a tin litho tinder. All right. So tinder first, I guess. And fair condition. Originally for a wind-up set, as you see. Fair at best. Now, the locomotive is trashed. I bought it just for the motor. But it is pre-war, as you see. Now, whether it's going to run or not, I have no idea. It is in fairly poor condition. As you see, this is not a Marx 898. This is not what I bought. Now, that's interesting, to say the least. Huh. Well, it's pre-war, no doubt. I think it's a 593, actually. All right, without further ado, let's pull the camera off the tripod. I was not expecting this. Huh. Very, very strange. All right, in any case, while it's here, let's see if it runs. Power is on. Now, I don't have the light turned on the camera, so I'll probably shoot another video, give you more detail on this. Anyway, let's see what happens. It runs reverse, and it runs forward. Now, I haven't done anything to this at all. Now, it's missing the rear contactor, as you see. Yeah, this is hitting the track. Anyway, like I said, this is not what I bought. I bought an 898 that was missing both the markers and the smokestack. This appears to be a 593 in actually much better condition than the 898 was. So, and look at this. It has spoked wheels. Wow. So why he sent this, I have absolutely no idea. I paid $8 for this with the tinder. So, well, while it's right here, let's run it forward and see if it'll pull a consist. I haven't even oiled this yet. Headlights out. That's a heavy consist for that little locomotive to pull. So you tell me, was it worth $8 even though he sent the wrong locomotive? Like I said, I believe that's a 593. Pre-war motor, spoked wheels, up and running, and it was $8. And like I said, what I bought was a Marx 898 that was missing both markers and the smokestack. I bought it strictly for the motor. That's what I made the offer for. So, this locomotive is up and running, and I haven't even oiled it yet. So, I'll put a headlight in it, pull this motor out, replace that rear contactor. So, a pre-war tin litho locomotive up and running for $8. You can't beat that. And of course it came with a tinder. So, it was a surprise. Spoked wheels, like I said, the rear contactor is missing, but that's easy enough to replace. Well, I'm pleased with it. This is not what I bought, but I'm definitely pleased with it. So, a grand unboxing on a what was supposed to be a Marx 898, missing both markers and the stack. I bought it just for parts. This one is broken right there on the cow catcher. So, in any case, I still may use it for parts. The motor, of course, is pre-war with spoked wheels, so it's running. I'm not going to tear it apart. Anyway, I just wanted to do an unboxing video on this. I'll get this cleaned up a bit and do a follow-up video with the light on so you can actually see some detail in this. Anyway, he's made a mistake. This is not what I bought, but so I'll contact him. We'll take it from there. Anyway, I just want to do a grand unboxing on this. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to drop me an email, BENZTRAINZ@gmail.com. And as always, thank you for watching.